Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at inequalities.
Welcome to all first timers. This is New Life Academy. We make learning easy. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Given three positive numbers 6, 8, and 2, 6 is less than 8. 6 plus 2 is less than 8 plus 2. 8 is less than 10. Similarly, 6 minus 2 is less than 8 minus 2. 4 is less than 6. Given three positive real numbers a, b, and c, we are going to be using 6, 8, and 2. 6 is less than 8. So 6 on 2, 6 divided by 2 is less than 8 divided by 2. 3 is less than 4. And if we're multiplying, the same rule stands. 6 times 2 is less than 8 times 2. 12 is less than 16. Given three numbers from the set of real numbers 6, 8, and negative 2, 6 divided negative 2 is greater than 8 divided by negative 2. Now the difference is at the level of the inequality sign. When you're dividing or multiplying by a negative number, the sign changes. In this section, we'll be solving quadratic inequalities. The first question says, we should show that 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 is greater than 0. In order to show these, we will be using the method of completing the squares. I'll add to the description box a link to a video showing us how to solve using the method of completing the squares. After solving that, you will have 31 on 8, which is greater than 0, and x plus 3 on 4 all squared times 2, which is greater than 0. Therefore, that quadratic equation is greater than 0. In the next question, we are asked to prove that 3x squared plus 7x plus 8 is greater than 0. We will have to complete the squares on the left hand side. After completing the squares, we'll have 3 into x plus 7 on 6 all squared plus 145 on 12. 3 into x plus 7 on 6 all squared is greater than 0, and 145 on 12 is still greater than 0. Therefore, the equation is greater than 0. In this section, we'll be solving linear inequalities, finding the range of values of x that satisfy the inequality and representing that on the number line. To get this done, we solve the linear inequality the same way that we solve linear equations, just that we respect the rules of inequalities. Now, after you've made x the subject of your inequality, you go ahead and represent your answer on the number line. Now, there are two ways of representing values on the number line. When the value is strictly greater than or strictly less than, meaning it's not included in the range, it's an open circle that is used. In this question, we are solving 8 minus 5x greater than or equal to 3. Now, when we solve this like a normal linear inequality, we are going to have 1 greater than or equal to x, which is the same as x less than or equal to 1. So, representing that on the number line, given that we have 1 included in our range, we are going to use a closed circle. In the next question, we are asked to find the range of values in this inequality. 3x plus 1 on 4 lies between 1 and 2. So in this kind of question, in this kind of inequality, we are going to divide it into 2. 1 is less than 3x plus 1 on 4, and 3x plus 1 on 4 is less than or equal to 2. Solving the left-hand inequality will give us 1 less than x, which is the same as x strictly greater than 1. Now solving the right-hand inequality will give us x less than or equal to 7 on 3. Now let's represent x greater than 1 on a number line. So since it's strictly greater than 1, we are going to have an open circle. And for us to represent x less than or equal to 7 on 3, 7 on 3 is the same as 2.5. So since it's less than or equal to, we are going to be using a closed circle. On a number line, we will represent all the values greater than 1 and all the values less than or equal to 2.5. And the range of values that will satisfy these are inequality, that the values are found between 1 and 2.5.